There are many mosquitoes in summer. Don't be afraid to teach you a local method. Use a mask. No mosquitoes all day. Method is awesome. Come and learn. Hello, everybody. I am Longer. Don't be afraid of mosquitoes. I'll teach you a trick today. All you need is a mask to solve this problem. There were no mosquitoes all summer. The method is super simple. Let's take a look at the specific practices. Speaking of masks, and you're all very familiar with that, it is also very useful in daily life. Like in winter, we will also wear it in cold weather. In summer, where the dust is heavier. Or in public. Or we all use masks when we have a cold. But what you don't know is, in addition to these uses, our masks, it is more useful in summer, especially the mosquitoes in the house. The more, the better. Speaking of summer, not only is the weather hot, especially today, it has entered a mild heat. After the start of the Xiaoshu solar term, dog days are slowly approaching. This is the time when mosquitoes are most thriving. Many friends can't live without electric fans or mosquito coils at home. But we do. Using too much mosquito coil is very harmful to the body. This is especially true for friends with poor trachea. Not ordering mosquito coils will affect our normal life. It's okay during the day. At night, we finally fall asleep. Then I woke up to a mosquito bite. I believe that many friends have this kind of trouble. Open your eyes in the morning. Small red envelopes with mosquito bites on their hands and faces. In fact, there are many mosquitoes in our house. No need for mosquito coils at all. Today, I will teach you a healthier way, without any technology or hard work. There is no mosquito coil after lighting the chemicals in the smoke. It will not have any impact on our human body. Whether pregnant or not, whether it is a pregnant mother or a small baby, elderly people at home can use this method. This method is, you only need a mask at home. That's it. After the mask is ready, let's follow one end of the mask. Cut this end open. After the mask is cut, we found that it is divided into 3 layers. Do you see that there is a layer of non-woven fabric in the middle? Don't worry about it. Then put this plastic strip on top. Take it out. I have also shared a lot of this plastic glue with you in previous videos. This plastic strip has many uses, so don't just throw it away. After cutting it out, we put the mask aside for later use. Then let's prepare 2 bags. Unwanted garlic peel left over at home. Crush the garlic. Pat with the skin like this, garlic with the skin. Garlic won't be everywhere. Peel out the garlic inside. Don't throw away the garlic skin. The garlic skin also has a strong garlic aroma. Then use a kitchen knife to chop the garlic skin together a little bit. Garlic does not need to be chopped, mainly to chop up the garlic inside. The garlic will be richer. It would be even more useful. Just chop it twice like this. Then put the chopped garlic. Put it into the mask together with the skin. Put it in and prepare it. Prepare a small table of prickly ash kernels in it. Then prepare the toilet water at home. Garlic sprayed with toilet water on the mask. And on top of this pepper. Prepare the wind oil essence at home. Any brand is okay. No matter what brand it is, its purpose is the same. Just put about 5 or 6 drops on it. After dripping like this, close the mask. You can use the fixed rubber strip just now to close the mouth. You can also use this ear rope that was cut just now. Close your mouth. So one of our mosquito repellent bags, the mosquito repellent sachet, is ready. It's super easy to use. After it is done, we can hang it next to the trash can, or put one next to the trash can. So you will find there are fewer and fewer mosquitoes by the trash can because of the mosquitoes in the house. It doesn't matter if it's a fly or mosquitoes like to be next to the trash can. I'm in the trash can, especially the trash can in the kitchen. Usually there will be some plant residues in it, and some peels and so on. So it's very easy to provoke mosquitoes. This time, we can hang a mosquito repellent sachet next to it. Mosquitoes are afraid to approach. To get rid of mosquitoes in this way, don't worry about biting at home. Keep some small pets, puppies, etc. are not harmful. Second, we can also hang it next to flowers and plants. Flowers and plants are also particularly attractive to mosquitoes. It's also a great source of mosquitoes in the home. The basin hangs one on it. It can also reduce the number of mosquitoes in your home. On the bedroom doorknob, on the door handle in the living room, you can hang one on the door handle of the door. This mosquito repellent sachet, then the smell it emits directly, will be more intense. So mosquitoes smell it. It will run to 800 meters. Smell this smell from a distance. Mosquitoes are afraid to approach. So in addition to the door handle, you can also hang one on the window. When sleeping at night, we hang it by the bedside. Hanging by the bedside. This way the mosquitoes will not dare to approach. We don't need mosquito coils all night. You don't have to worry about mosquitoes. In addition to this method, we can also hang it on top of an electric fan. When the electric fan starts blowing, then the smell will follow the direction of the wind. Spread throughout the house. Mosquitoes smell it. Naturally, it will fly far away. Don't dare to approach again. So in addition to that, how can we use this mosquito repellent bag? When you usually go out, when going for a walk with the dog, fear of the dog at home being bitten by mosquitoes, we can also bring one on it. In addition to that, whether it is the elderly or mosquito bites when going out, we can also hang it on our wrists or above the ankle. I've shared it with you before. A similar little mosquito repellent trick. Interested friends can give it a try. Extremely convenient and practical, and without any technology or hard work. So we are in the process of opening and closing the door. Then the garlic pepper toilet water in this mask. The aroma of wind oil essence. It will be transported out through this airflow. Then our mosquito repellent bag. In addition to being used to repel mosquitoes, we can also put it in the shoe cabinet or in shoes with a heavier smell. Especially sports shoes. Usually the smell is very heavy after wearing it. The whole house smells of feet. At this point, we can put this sachet tucked directly into the shoe or in sneakers. It's also great to put it in the shoe cabinet. You will find that the foot odor in the house disappears. And it smells. You will feel that the whole air is sweet. How about today? Mainly shared with you how to use a mask to get rid of mosquitoes. In fact, in the past, I also shared similar tips with you. Small method. It worked really well, whether it's at home or when we come out. If you think there are more mosquitoes, you can also take it out and use it. They're all very easy to use. Then the method is super simple, but it's incredibly useful. Any interested party can go home and have a try. The most important thing is that there is no technology or hard work. It is also more secure to use. Of course, if you have any other better way, you can share it in the comment area. Let more friends know. Let more people benefit. Then our video sharing for this issue is here. I am longer. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. See you tomorrow. Bye.